Every morning in our household is an adventure. Everyone getting ready for the day. Breakfast need to be quick, easy, and of course tasty. That's why we love cheese bread with homemade cheese sauce because it's super convenient.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Daily Bite with Anwar. In today's video, I'll be sharing a recipe that I really love. Not only is delicious, but super convenient for those busy mornings. Homemade cheese sauce with bread. Let's do it.
The ingredient for homemade cheese sauce is very simple. 1 or 2 baguettes or your favorite bread, 8 pieces of spread cheese wedges, 160 ml of unsweetened fresh milk, 30 grams of condensed milk, and 2 egg yolk. Now we put all the cheese wedges together with fresh milk and condensed milk to the blender and blend them until smoothly. Once done, take all the sauce and put it in the pan, then we will cook it with medium heat. Here we will put 2 egg yolks inside the sauce. Then stir it together. You have to keep stirring until the sauce becomes thick. Once thick like this, put a pinch of salt to make the taste nicer. Then we're done with the sauce. It's simple and fast. Slice the baguette or bread into desired size. Spread the cheese on top of the bread. How much is depend on your preference. For me, the more the merrier. You can eat it like this, or you can put mozzarella cheese like me to make it more cheesier. Then we will air fry them with 170 degrees for 6 to 7 minutes, or when the cheese is melted and bubbly and the edge of the bread are golden and crispy. Remember to check it so it won't get burnt. The homemade cheese sauce can be made ahead of time and stored in the fridge, making it perfect for those busy mornings. Kids in my family also love it, and it makes breakfast a breeze. Here we have it, crispy cheesy bread slice with side of the rich creamy cheese sauce. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you need something quick but satisfying. Happy cooking and enjoy your cheesy morning.
And now we have it, our homemade cheese sauce with bread. Let's give it a try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's very crispy and very cheesy from the overload of the cheese. Definitely a nice way to start your breakfast in the morning. You should give it a try and let me know. It's fast and easy to do in busy morning.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you won't miss out our new recipe together. If you have anything to comment or feedback or want me to cook something specific, just let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.